Use this one, look.
It's a hammerhead. Wait, is that him?
Agarra este.
He goes this way.
So right now we're screwing the body to the chest and to the motor into the cave on top. And I got my little helper doing the hard work for me. That's one thing I love about kids. Become handy. Little fingers. Subscribe below, guys.
I think I did it.
Huh?
Did I do it?
Yeah, this one too.
This one, that way? That way or this way?
Right.
This?
Tight.
It's tight.
Let me see.
Wait, did that go there?
Okay.
He does it? Let's go.
Okay, so what's next?
Put these down. What are these? Super Mountain. What are those? Those are old things. Those are old things. Why are those so dirty? Those are dirty. Look. Look. Let's go. Look. You know, these were in my hand. Look what's in my hand. Look what's in my hand, guys. Look at.
So what?
Do not go
With the
anywhere.
legs.
Let me go get something. The screws are going everywhere.
Okay, so this is the exciting part.
What are these for? But what are they so old? What are they going that way?
Two batteries.
There's an arrow and an arrow. There's two arrows.
And
I like them. Oh, that's why there's two batteries. Oh,
it's kind of tight. Got it?
Oh, that's right.
So
What are these for?
let's see if it
There's
works.
one more.
Yeah, that's a spare one. I always put some extra spare ones because normally
If you lose a
it's
battery.
easy to lose this kind of tiny screw. So try it.
What are you missing?
The batteries are probably wrong.
I want my mom to do it. My mom's gonna have to do it.
That's right.
We're gonna have to pause it for a second. How many?
to
What is it?
set the one on.
What? Where is it? Oh, get the fork.
Put it on the fridge.
Oh.
my gosh.
Oh, I always forgot with the grades I didn't go. You see how?